What's going on, everybody? So right now I'm waiting on Finn to show up with his, he's got a flatbed, and we're going to load the BMW up on there. As you guys know, I bought a 1990 BMW 525i. I bought it from Dash Hub. As you guys know, it's completely destroyed, so I can't drive it out there, so we have to load it up onto this flatbed. Hey, buddy. How's it going, bud? Hey, you don't want to do a video with me? No? You don't want to? Come here, do a video with me. And he's feeling much better, by the way. Obviously, I can't drive it out there. I mean, it will run and drive. All right, I guess that's it. But not well. It'll do maybe like 20 miles an hour. So I'm waiting on him to show up with the flatbed so we can load it up on the flatbed and drive it out to his property where we're gonna drive it around and blow it up tomorrow. Isn't that right, buddy? Yes. Can you that way? You're hitting me with your tail. So I'm just kind of waiting for him to show up with the flatbed. He said he was gonna be here in about 30 minutes and now it's been about 45 minutes, but you know, he runs late. So I'm gonna kill some time by playing this new game I downloaded called Top 11. Now I know I have a lot of viewers that are like overseas and like England and stuff like that. They really dig football, or you know, as we Americans call it, soccer. Now I teamed up with Top 11 to talk about how cool of a game this is. Top 11 is a free to play and it's the most successful soccer game on mobile. Right now I think they're sitting at like 170 million downloads. I've personally never been a big Jax. Now, I have never been a huge soccer fan, but I figured I'd check it out. Or should I call it football? If you or your work has ever set up like a fantasy football league or something like that, it's very similar to that. Except it's a little bit more in depth because you have complete control over your tactics and formations and stuff like that. And much like fantasy football, you're constantly improving your team by trading your players. You build your own soccer club from the ground up, and then you build your stadium and your facilities as well. It's kind of similar to the way Sims works as well. The cool thing is that you compete with players from all over the world, not just like your friends or your work group. This is a global thing. And you can create associations with your friends, and then you guys with your associations can go and defeat other associations. And on top of that, there's a 24/7 live transfer market where you can bid for other players and managers. So you're constantly evolving your team and making it better. So I highly suggest you check it out. There's a link in the description. It's free to play. Give it a shot. If you're into soccer, this is a perfect game for you. Oh, he's here. Pardon me, Jax. All right, so we got the BMW loaded up on Finn's truck, and now we're gonna go drop it off. So yeah. Yo, this BMW, I don't know what series it was. It looked like a 1990s, probably a 6 Series. Just drove right by us, and there was like 4 guys deep in it, and they gave us like the thumbs up, like, nice car, bro. If only I could tell them that we're gonna fucking just blow this one up. And this would be the first day I get to shoot the CZ, and then Finn brought a shotgun with him, so I'll shoot that too. Well, we're gonna dump it probably over there, and then walk all the way back there, and shoot it from there to there. Maybe like there. A little bit closer than what I wanted, but we should like there's tons of coverage on the sides and whatnot. We should be fine. I hope.
Why does it feel like a lot of the stuff you do has that like premise around it?
But that it should be okay, but
it'll go our way, I hope.
I've never done anything and been like, I'm 100% on this.
10% guarantee.
It'll pan out.
You want to move it around?
Yeah, we'll unload it here and then jump it off, and then I want to ride it around a little bit. Oh, dude, my hands are too. Don't worry about it.
They make windshield strong these days.
Yeah. I sure hope it's lined up. I'm not stopping. Oh, the steering wheel's locked.
Man, it's quiet. It must be one of them electric cars.
Yeah, I want to jump it off so I can ride around the dirt.
That was a fire pit.
Battery's holding up. Dirt's back.
Over the mud. Yeah. don't know if you're buffing that one out. It's stuck in between the bumper and the tire.
She seems to be a bit jammed. What is that, speeding?
You got a little smoke coming out.
Hey!
You got a little smoke.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, do it for Dale.
Can you like drop it or in the gear or anything? Oh, it's trying. Oh, there you go. Let me try to
She's a wee bit goofed. Oh, yeah, that's in there. Good. Oh, you got this. It's gonna happen. Use your weight. All 125 pounds of you. You're gonna snap and you're gonna bust your ass. I can't believe that. That's our battery system that's hooked up to the other battery. That's fine. We'll figure it out.
That's an extra 5 horsepower right there. Yeah! No more bumper! You're dragging the bumper. Look at the sweet mods.
Some don't feel right. Yeah, something's definitely broken.
You got a flat.
You got a flat?
Yeah.
That's better for traction to turn.
Hey, be careful. You're gonna set off the airbags one of these times.
Hopefully.
It's tough. Burnout. Mud burnout. Got some mud in your intake. You don't have the 4-wheel drive turned on.
Hey, watch the trim, all right? Ah, shit, my fog light's broken.
On your Uber.
She's still running good, nice and cool. Is this gonna hurt? Oh, God. Oh, he's still doing it. He's still falling. I should put my seatbelt on. Yeah, it's out. I can't control anything. Windows! Windows! It's not going up fast enough! No!
You understand you're running into like a 3-foot fire pit, right?
Yeah, I remember that part.
Dip.
I'm pretty sure it wasn't this tucked in the back before. She takes some work, doesn't she? Dang, I fucked that up. Is the parking brake on? I think I actually broke it, because now it's not running nearly as fast. Thank God the wipers work.
Same thing. Did I do it?
I think you got a vacuum leak. Put it first.
Got a horn.
Yeah, it's creepy, man.
It's all about that slow ride.
Yeah, right. You gotta keep traction. It's got, man, this thing's, I'll give it that, it's trying really hard.
I was impressed. You got a spare for that flat? Yeah, buddy.
Oh, we could throw that on right
A
now.
whole nother ride right there. Don't get mud on the floorboard. Break it.
pretty sure I got a piece of glass in my ball sack. Well, I'm quite impressed with its off-road abilities. I feel like with like 3, maybe 4 more horsepower, she would have made it. But as you can see, she just isn't having it. You know, she's ball street tires. Why is the light still on? Here, knock it out for you. The flashers are on. That's that air intake mod right there. Hold on, I gotta get more air into the intake, make it go faster. I wonder how many butthurt BMW fans are gonna be on my channel. Yeah, nice little BMW cap. There we go. That ain't gonna pop it. All right, let's just drag it over there with the truck to where we're gonna shoot it. And then,
what do you want, a side angle?
Yeah, I think the side is gonna be the best.
What are you, fucking Rev Bomb? And then you fill her out, look for any roughness.
Look at that, we've already gotten rid of most of the dents here. If you just keep on. Perfect. Because I had to open up the grill for more air. When I come in the arena. So we got 10 pounds of explosivo that we're gonna go shove in this car. 10 pounds right there.